Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Surinder Kumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Government College Nangal Chaudhary in District Mahendragarh. Dear students, today we will discuss about coursework of BSc First Physical Chemistry. This is paper second of BSc first year first semester. The whole coursework of physical chemistry divided into four sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. Section A is gaseous state, section B is critical phenomenon, section C is liquid state, and section D is solid state. The marks for this physical chemistry paper is 29 and the time for the exam is 3 hours. Examiner will set 9 questions and the candidate will be required to attempt 5 questions in all. Question number 1 will be compulsory, containing 5 short answer type questions covering the entire syllabus and will be of 5 marks. Further, examiner will set 2 questions from each section and the candidate will be required to attempt 1 question from each section, which will be of 6 marks each. Now we shall discuss and we will start our study with section A, that is gaseous state. In this gaseous state, first of all, we shall discuss Maxwell distribution of molecular speeds and energy. In 1886, Maxwell pointed out the distribution of speed of gas particles called Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. According to this, the fraction of molecule dNc upon n having speed between c and c plus dc is given by the equation written here, where m is molecular mass of gas particle, T absolute temperature, and number of gas particles. On the basis of this equation, Maxwell drew a plot of probability P against the speed of the molecule at a particular temperature shown in figure below. This curve so obtained is called Maxwell distribution curve, and area under the curve gives the total number of molecules or particles present in the gas. This graph is drawn between probability and speed. Maxwell distribution of molecular speed. Here are the important features of Maxwell distribution of molecular speeds. The first feature is there are very small number of molecules having very low or very high speeds. And the second, maximum number of molecules having a particular speed called most probable speed. Different type of molecular speed. Maxwell described different type of molecular speed. The first type is most probable speed or velocity, that is denoted by alpha, and its value is under root 2 RT by m. Second type of speed is average speed, that is sum of individual speed divided by number of particles. Here V1, V2, V3 are individual speeds of the gas particle divided by n is total number of particles, and its value will come out 8 RT upon pi m under the root. Third type of speed is root mean square speed or velocity, that is denoted by u, and it is equal to square of individual speed divided by n and their under root. Its value comes out to be 3 RT by m under the root. In the graph, it is clear that value of alpha is least and value of u, that is root mean square speed, is most. Average speed lies in between these two speeds, and the relationship between alpha, v and u is given 1:1.13 ratio 1.22. Now the next topic is effect of temperature on the distribution of speed. In the slide, a graph is drawn in between molecular speed and probability at different temperature T1, T2, T3. And from graph it is clear that with increase in temperature following changes are observed in the curve. The first is the entire curve becomes flat and shift towards right. Second change, the value of most probable speed alpha increases with temperature. Third point, the fraction of molecules having most probable speed decreases. Fourth, the fraction of molecules having higher speed increases. Fifth, the fraction of molecules having lower speed decreases. And sixth, area under the curve remains same at every temperature since it gives number of particles in a gas sample. The next topic is molecular collision in a gas. According to kinetic theory of gas, molecules or particles of gas are in constant random motion, and during the movement they collide with each other. So, in this section we shall discuss collision property of gas molecules. The first property is collision diameter, and it may be defined as it is the closest distance of approach between the center of two molecules when they just touch each other during a collision. It is denoted by sigma. And the second term is collision frequency, that is number of collision made by one molecule with other in 1 second, is called collision frequency. It is denoted by Z. Collision frequency depends on average velocity, molecular diameter, particle density. Collision frequency directly proportional to average velocity. Collision frequency is directly proportional to square of molecular diameter. And third, collision frequency is directly proportional to square of particle density. Relations between collision diameter sigma and collision frequency Z. From the formula written here, it is clear that collision frequency Z is equal to 2 sigma square n square under root of pi RT by m. From this formula, it is clear that collision frequency is directly proportional to under root of temperature, inversely proportional to mass. The next topic is mean free path. Since gas molecules are in constant motion and they are colliding with each other, so the new concept of mean free path is given. Mean free path is defined as it is average distance travelled by a molecule between two successive collisions. It is denoted by L. L is equal to average distance travelled in 1 second by number of collisions made by single molecule per second. L is equal to V upon NC, where V is average distance or average velocity and NC is number of collisions. L is equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi sigma square N. From the formula, it is clear that mean free path does not depend upon the speed of molecule. Mean free path varies inversely with square of molecular diameter sigma and also varies inversely with the number of molecule per unit volume. It varies inversely with pressure and does not depend on temperature if volume of gas kept constant. Thank you very much. Then remaining part of this section we shall discuss in next lecture.